Dumelang sanibonani thokozani khanya le lesedi. Greetings over the diaspora to those that do not speak the languages that we speak. Welcome back, Black Conscious Gang, Pan-Africanist Gang, Woke Gang, Anti-Woke Gang, Black and Conscious, Black and Conscious, Knowledge Seekers, Knowledge Collectors, Light Workers, Witch Talk, which is of Instagram, Spell Makers, Tarot Card Gang, Chakra Hands, Energy Readers. I'm saying not religious, the spiritualists. As long as we're all here, never light, was a Coco Gang, Makosi Gang. As long as Richo Vicho Kaufela, we are doing love and light and respectful of each other. Thank you so much for coming here. Today's a quick little episode. We have a product review. We have a gratitude episode. We have an unboxing here. So thank you so much. So I'm going to start with a product review first. So I got this mint mesh. Isn't this so cool? Isn't this so awesome? Oh, it's going to be mounted nicely on the wall. So I got this go Orlando West. So I'm in Orlando West very often. So Kito's go Orlando West on Huele Street. I'll share his details from a friend of mine. He's an I. He sells plants, he sells herbs, he sells. So most of my succulents, I got them from him. Most of the money plants and all of that, I got those from him. So he sells those. He designs such, and he was also on a competition where he had to be photographed with a jacaranda tree, and I think he got third place there. So he's very passionate about healing. He's a CMOS boy as well. So please, I'm gonna share his details there. But this mint mash, I think was 150. Yeah. So it's 3 different types of mints. I love when everything aligns with me so nicely. So it's 3 different mints, yeah, because it's my number 3. And yeah, so please, I'm gonna share his contacts. So get Hloni, Wako Orlando West. I don't know if he's got cannabis for you guys, but yeah, he's also part of the Stoner Gang. And then I also gonna do a little unboxing here. Yeah, so I got this. Yeah, I wanted to start the unbox with that first. Yeah, just in case. Yeah, Latiba ish slalani. So yeah, it is addressed to Gogo Me. So it is from Pumalanga or KZN. I'm not too sure where they are, the husband, but please go check out her channel. For her channel. So okay, funky at Funkiest Mom, but Melody Twala. If you see Melody Twala, she's got locks all the way to her feet. That is absolutely her. So she's got vlogs. So yeah, I'm sure she'll say vlogging. But last time I checked, they were in KZN. I'm not too sure if they're back in their Bumalanga KZN part of life. But yeah, so it's a gift. She gifted me. She attempted to gift me, and then there was problems, Kadi delivery. But yeah, it was because she knows I'm a plant mom. So she was sending that, but for that also I was so grateful for you, but like, and your hard earned cash, but you just thought of me. Yo guys, link I feel so important, and so like it's actually very healing, very healing, where I don't even have to like people please or anything, but you guys are genuinely like, genuinely feeling me, lang feel, so ooh, let us see what do we have here. So cool little packaging. It's got a little thank you sign there, and yeah, keep bubble wrap. Oh, the color, guys, the nude color. This is so pretty, and it's reptile, skinny, crocodile, or snake, or something. Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you so much. Oh. It's actually new. I got another chakra bracelet. It's a highlight, so I'm gonna read it here. Oh, Gogo, thank you so much for the crown chakra. So it helps reduce stress and anger. It aids in insomnia, particularly when the mind is overactive. Promotes patience and facilitates awareness. Balances calcium levels of the body. Absorbs negative energy, element air. And yeah, for the crown chakra from Denti a la Mode. Thank you so much, Gogo. Thank you. So this is me. I'm trying not to cry. Yeah, I'm trying not to be amazed. Thank you so much. I really, yeah, man. Like these are things that speak to, yeah, to me. So I'm gonna bury it first before I donate on me. But thank you so much. It's got, yeah, the stones are actually. Oh, Gogo, thank you. I have no words. Thank you, and then your husband. Yeah, she's also part of the gang that like watches me on the big screen there. She's taking downtime from her kids. She's just been Yeah, so amazing. I even thought like before I even met her because I see her pictures on social media. I'm like, yo, this girl's got nice hair. I thought she's from the US. Kanti, hi, wakuluma gogo ona. Thank you so much. But please go check her out. She's also a spiritualist. She does tarot card reading. She she's a, what does she call herself? But yeah, she does readings, she does cleanses. Her cleanses are amazing. She does amazing water cleanses. Yeah, I've seen also little review from people. Please, if you're looking for somebody safe, so I always say, Hori, I got plugs for people and whatnot. But yeah, she does it remotely as well. She does it also in her space. But yeah, she's gifted in the gift of seeing and in the gift of solving things. So I know people have gotten jobs, people have gotten business deals, people have gotten pregnant, and all of that through her works. So please go check out her channel. So I'm gonna cleanse this one first before. Yeah, I really low entities that were handling this during. But thank you so much. Even the packaging is amazing, and yeah, I'm proud of myself. My tears left halfway. Thank you so much, and yeah, Uncle Maat, thank you so much for joining me on this, and I really really appreciate even the words that you guys give me, even the I love throwback, I guess, and I think Ibileka this season now, I'm really 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 yeah vibing with all of that, and how you guys see me. I was actually with a friend of mine from, yeah, actually let me share that in the next recording we are doing. But thank you so much, Gago Melody. Ke I really, this is, man, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm gonna add and happy today. Don't forget also to holler at Hloni for your circular needs and also for your herbal needs. Yeah, thank you.